Hello friends, this is Muluba and welcome to this 29th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to form the future. Let's get started. One way to form the future is by using the prefix ka. For example, in the verb Nkanena, which means I will say, Ukanena you will say, Ukanena he will say, Tukanena we will say, Mukanena you will say, Bakanena they will say. Let's review one more time. Kanena I will say, Ukanena you will say, Ukanena you will say, Tukanena we will say, Mukanena you will say, Bakanena they will say. The prefix ka is used to indicate the future. Anytime you see in the verb ka before the verb, usually it is to indicate the future. So that is for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.